In a small North Carolina town where the rivers have flowed for centuries, there's a museum that makes ancient history real. Welcome to the Aurora Fossil Museum, a place filled with prehistoric treasures and a community that feels like family.
It's like its own little thing here. As soon as you come into town and get to the museum here, something changes and a light comes on, it gets all bright.
There's a lot to be seen here. It's really cool. You can learn about the rock cycle. There's full-on skeletons. There's so much you can learn.
Located in Aurora, this museum is built on stories, with every fossil revealing part of Earth's past. But it's not just about fossils. It's the center of town.
Grown up here in Aurora, I live right down the road. I came to the museum my first time, I think I was 4.
I got introduced to the museum through my grandmother, and the more time I was actually around this place, the more interested I became, and the more I started to like the people that were coming through.
We have lots of community outreach also, with schools scheduling to come during the summer or field trips and stuff like that. It's a great resource.
It's not just a spot for visitors. It connects local industry with learning. The nearby Nutrien Phosphate Plant provides the fossil-rich Pungo River material in the dig pits. It's a hands-on adventure for anyone willing to dive in.
So this museum was founded on the rich history that was being discovered in the fossils at the local phosphate mine.
My father, he works at the mine as an A operator. My uncles all work at the mine. My grandmothers, both sides, work at the mine. And I think my dad's been there for 30 years now. And my grandfather just retired a couple years ago. And we went down to the rec center for picnic day. It was just kind of incorporated with the family. We did everything centered around the mine.
We sat down with Cynthia Crane, the museum's dedicated executive director, to find out what makes this place so unique.
The current mission of the Aurora Fossil Museum is to introduce paleontology in a fun and engaging manner while emphasizing the natural and cultural history of Eastern North Carolina. We have a significant footprint in the history of paleontology, especially sharks and whales and seabirds and different things. So it has been part of the foundation of the Smithsonian's work on Miocene and Pliocene age marine fauna. It's time for this museum to be recognized for that contribution.
Outside the main building, the museum is full of activity. Fossil digs, interactive workshops, and programs that spark curiosity and bring people together.
We just basically were trying to connect to the whole community, surrounding schools, high schools, even middle schools. We're inviting anyone with the age that ends with teen. We're trying to get the whole community together and collaborate on learning more about science.
Either once a month or once every other month, they'll set up STEM-related events for kids our age, guest speakers, food, just events to drum up interest in STEM.
So the Imagine NC project, which was funded through the Burroughs Wellcome Fund SSEP grant, it allowed the museum to provide educational resources and put on this great camp, which has had lasting impacts on the youth throughout the years.
The museum's impact goes beyond science. It boosts the local economy by drawing in visitors and helping nearby businesses grow.
Our biggest one is the North Carolina Fossil Festival, which is Memorial Day weekend. So we have a town that populations hovers around 500, maybe less than 500. And this past year we had almost 20,000 people here for the weekend. They fill all the hotels and everything in all the neighboring areas. It's an economic boom for our businesses that are here, like gas stations and service centers and snack areas.
There's a parade, there's always vendors out. There's always this one lemonade tent on the corner. It's so good. You can buy buckets of reject material to dig through, find stuff. It's awesome.
There's a lot of little things here that you don't realize how rare or significant they can be. And then you just read it and you're like, oh my gosh, this is like 1,000,000 years old, and I had no idea it was right underneath me. This museum is like a hidden gem.
Being able to learn just from a tour given by one of the employees is very informational, very fun, and just being able to go out and dig.
It's really cool, you just have to give it a chance.
The Aurora Fossil Museum is more than just fossils. It's about discovery, learning, and the people who make it special. In this town, history isn't locked away, it's alive and waiting. Come see the past up close and feel the energy of Aurora. Visit the Aurora Fossil Museum, where every fossil tells a story.